Properties. At the start of this playground, you thought about different types like city and car. You can imagine each instance of a city having a different name, or each instance of a car having its own mileage. Similarly, in Swift, each instance has one or more pieces of associated information. These values are known as properties. It's often useful to know if a string contains any characters at all. The property is empty answers this question. The property is declared like this. Var is empty, and that's a bool, so it's true or false, and get. These are called curly brackets. The declaration looks similar to a variable declaration. Just as a method is a function built into each instance of a type, a property is a constant or variable built into each instance of a type. The property is named isEmpty and is of type bool. It is marked var because the property value could change if the string contents change. The get inside of curly brackets indicates you can only get the value of this property, but you can't set it. This also is called a read-only property. Properties are called by using a period, or a dot, after the instance, followed by the property name. So we have the constant let, something, get the string, it was the best of times. And then something dot is empty evaluates to false because there is something inside of this string. It's not an empty string. Let nothing get an empty string, so it's just the quotation marks. And then checking if nothing dot is empty, true, because there is an empty string here. The same type safety rules apply for properties as with methods. You can't use a property without an instance. You can only use properties that are part of the type of that instance. Note, the types you've worked with so far don't have many properties because the information they store is very simple. You'll learn about more complicated types in a later lesson. On the next page, learn about the difference between methods and properties.